Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share with you quickly some thank you cards I did up for my daughter for while she's in the hospital to give to the nurses and doctors. Yeah, so I did these up today. These are jelly bean shaker cards that I got, so I thought I would use some of these up. So this is just the first one, just says hello. And I did a few stamps around it, put some shaker bits in, and just a note to say thanks. So that was the first one, and I wasn't quite impressed with it as much as I wanted to be. So then I decided I was going to make it dimensional. And of course, I just love these colors. So what I did was I did the cutout, the die cut from here. And I did the die cut in two colors. I did the green glitter and then the pink, and then they give you the pot and then the stem and all that, and I just stamped it. So I just did different colors, and then inside I just stamped it with butterflies and the little chickadee. Thought that was a little cute addition. And then I did this one for male, and I just did it with the different colors. I put the gold underneath with the blue on top, and just the same thing on the inside, and a flat back pearl on the front, just to give it that little centerpiece. I was just looking at it going, God, those flowers look a little odd, and then I realized I needed something in the inside, so I did those. And then I have the little cup of tea or a cup of coffee one, and I went, oh God, I gotta start using the stuff that I have. So with this virus going around, that's all I've been doing. So I did the little cup of coffee, or for me, cup of tea, and it just says a cup of thanks. And then I just cut out the few of the hearts, the die cuts, and with the steam, and then I did the paper flower. These are such pretty, brilliant colors. I just love it. Love these colors. So I thought I would add the paper flowers to the outside, and then I just stamped this here with my corner puncher. And I think I got that at Stampin' Up. It's three different ones. So I did that one, and then I just put some butterflies and a little scroll there on the inside. It's that one. And then I did it with another male color. I guess any of these could be either or. And then just add another paper up top and just did the same on the inside. So I kept them relatively the same just to make the process a little easier. And then I did this one with the pink, and underneath is the gold, the bluish green kind of flower, and then I just put some pink on the inside. So that's what I did up for her. She's going to be leaving the hospital Wednesday, so I'm going to drop these off to the hospital tomorrow, and yeah, and she's going to give these to the nurses and doctors, and I'm so excited that she wanted to do that, to show her appreciation for everything they did for her. So I hope you like those, and I'll see you in the next video.